What's going on, everybody? This is Keith Harris, the Forex trader. Just doing a simple chart setup right here. So when you open up the broker, you go to File, New Chart, then you select whatever pair that you just want to have the chart just set up on. And when it comes up, it'll look like this. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to right click anywhere in the screen, and then I want you to scroll down to Properties. When this comes up, it'll have two tabs. I want you to select the common tab. Then I want you to change it to candlesticks. Then I want you to unclick show grid, right? Candlesticks, then uncheck the show grid. Then go back over to the colors. Then the grid, I want you to select it and click none. The bar up, we can leave it as lime. The bar down, let's do it as red. The bull candle, we want to do it as lime. Let me find that again, lime. The bear candle, we can do it as red. So this is what it will look like in a preview. Reds for down, greens for up. So when you click OK, it changes the chart. Now, to open up the chart, if it is condensed and tight like this, you just hit the, excuse me, the zoom in, the plus, the one that has the plus sign on it. And that opens it up so you can see the candlesticks bigger. If you want to tighten the chart up, you use the zoom out one with the minus sign that brings the candlesticks in tighter. Now, what I want to show you all is this. Can you see that this is an uptrend, right? It is going from here and it is consistently going up, right? Until it gets to a level of support. Then there may be a change, right? But look here, watch. I'm going to put some trend lines on it. One there, select here, draw a trend line. One here, and it doesn't have to be perfect. When you want to manipulate the trend line, you just double click it. Then you can change the trend line if need be. You can manipulate it, right? So follow the flow right here. For the most part, it's going up and down in between this. And we have put this in a channel, right? You'll learn about this later. But what I want to show you is, I'm going to erase this here, right click and hit delete. What I want to show you all is how to identify the support and resistance areas. Now I have some indicators on here. Let me see if I can find one that I can just throw on there real quick. That will help me to identify. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me. You can never find what you're looking for when you're looking for it. All right. So I'll take this. And I'll just add that. Right? Auto fibs, which will draw support and resistance for me, right? Look how it hit from here, came up, hit here, pulled back, and it got trapped between the 50 and the 61.8. And you will learn about these, right? And then it broke out above it, came back down below, and it continued uptrend, right? Until it got all the way up here. Now, I want you all to know you don't necessarily need an indicator in order to do that. So let me get rid of this indicator right here. We can still draw our own support and resistance. Come to the top, boom. Come to the bottom, find it, boom. Right? That's all we're doing. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. Let's see here. Grab the line. You saw where it stopped at. Grab the line. See it stopping someplace. All right. Grab a line. That's all I'm doing. I see it stopping someplace. I'm just marking it off for myself. Right? That's all I'm doing. The same thing that I was doing on the other chart. So if you want to see how it looks on the other chart, let's go back, right click, go to properties. Let's go back and change it to the line chart right here, which will change it like this, right? And let's go look and see what it looks like. It's just not blue, right? So if we want to change it, if I want to change it to it looks blue like on Trading View, I come back down here to properties. In the line graph, I'm going to change it. Let's see here. This blue, change it back. Make sure it's the line. Over here, here. And there we are. As you can see, we're still looking for peaks and valleys, right? So we can still come over here and put on for peaks and valleys, right? Bang, it hit here, broke above, something stopped it here. I can drop something there, right? Something stopped it here. I can put another one there. Stopped it here, stopped it here. As you can see, it's still hitting the areas. Excuse me, it's still hitting the areas, right? Same thing, the same thing, right? I can put one down here, right? Look at those. Here, here. Understand support and resistance. I want you all to get that support and resistance. What is support? Support is beneath the candlesticks. Where is resistance? Resistance is above the candlesticks. Now, what I want to do is I want to go on a lower time frame and see how it reacted to the lower time frame with these lines. So I'll click from the 1 hour to the 5 minute, and then look, I see other additional lines, right? It stopped here, stopped there. So you could have taken a trade from here to there, right? And then it came back down to this level right here, right? So I want to put a line right on what we call the 50, and as well as I want to put a line on right where we call the 61.8, right? Look how it bounces in between here, right? It's going from level to level, and this is on a lower time frame. So look, it's going in an uptrend, uphill, and it hit a level, right? The ceiling, and then it started to change and come down. For those who got on my training, what I want to do is I want to show you the 50, and I'm going to make it a line, right? It's going to be the pink line. Now follow my flow. Anytime this blue line falls beneath the pink line, you are looking for more sells. You're looking for selling. It's going down. Anytime it breaks above that pink line, you're looking for more buys. It's going upward. Do you all see that? It broke below that pink line. It's going down, right? Got to a level. Then it went above the pink line. You're looking for buys, more buys than sells until it gets to a level, right? I hope this is easy for you to understand. You see the blue line is beneath. We're looking for more sells. It hits a level right here, right? Then when it hits a level, and I can go and put a line here, it came down, hit the level, pulled back up, bounced in between here, and broke above. It retested this and failed to stay beneath this. So when it gets up here, we're looking for more buying than we are selling until it gets to a level, right? Understand? Now, I hope that's clear. Look, it's above the pink line. We're looking for more buys. It's going uphill. Gets to a level. We're looking for more sells. Going downhill. Gets to another level. As we continue to look, breaks above the pink line. We're looking for more buys. Up to a level. Breaks below the pink line. We're looking for more sells. Down to a level, right? It found another level right here, right? So if I put the line right here, it found another level, and then decided to come here and break under, looking for more sells until it gets to another level right down here, which I will mark again. As you all can see, it broke above. We're looking for more buys. You see, it's going uphill, right? I hope that explanation was very, very easy for you all to understand. Look how it is above. We're buying. It's an uptrend. As I put in the chat, when we're in an uptrend, we're looking for more buys than sells, right? When we're in a downtrend, we're looking for more sells than buys. All right. Well, this was a little short excerpt from me, Keith Harris, the Forex trader. Understand you want to stay plugged into the chats. Any questions and or concerns that you may have for me, definitely feel free to send me a message in the chat. Put your questions in the chat, as well as you have my phone number. Feel free to reach out to me. But let's learn how to trade the markets. It's been my absolute pleasure. Once again, this is Keith Harris, the Forex trader, also known as the Forex Gooch. I look forward to seeing everyone in profit. I'll talk to you all soon. Take care and God bless.